Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. Start by opening your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure you have the updated version of WhatsApp where Meta AI is available. Once you're in WhatsApp, look for the circle icon at the top. Tapping on it will open the chat with Meta AI. You can then type any question or message, and Meta AI will provide you with a quick answer. For instance, if you type "Hey," Meta AI will respond promptly. If you ask something like "What is the capital of Pakistan?" Meta AI will not only give you the answer, but also provide additional details. Meta AI can also generate pictures based on your ideas. Just type your image idea, and Meta AI will create an image accordingly. For example, if you ask Meta AI to generate a picture of a butterfly, it will produce an image of a butterfly. Moreover, when chatting with someone on WhatsApp, you can involve Meta AI in your conversation. If you both and the person you're chatting with have questions, simply use Meta AI and it will provide answers. If you don't see the Meta AI features in your WhatsApp, make sure you've updated the app. If it still doesn't appear, don't worry. It will be available to you soon. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.